round numbers to the nearest place value. And we have 23,435. In this time, we're gonna round the number that is on the line. First, we have to take a little close view to the place value for each number. 5 is in ones, 2 is in tens, 4 is in hundreds, and the number that is underlined is 3, which is thousand place value. Okay, now let's follow a rule in order to round this number 3. Now, let's take a little close view to this. If the number next to, let's see, if the number next to, let's change into another color. If the number next to the underlying number, or the one that is to the right, is greater, okay, or is 1, 2, 3, or 4, okay, the underlying number and number 3 stay the same, and the other numbers become 0. Let's do it. Okay, 23,000 rounded to the nearest thousand. 4 is in this group, so the underlying numbers stay the same. So we have 23,000, and the other 3 numbers becomes 0. 4 becomes 0. 2 becomes 0. And number 5 becomes 0. So the answer is 23,000. Okay, let's try with another example. 5,457. What is the place value that we are going to round, or which place value is the one to be round? Is tens. So let's see, 7 is in ones, and the underlying numbers is in, okay, tens. Okay, let's see now. Take a little clue to the number next to the underlying number, the one that is to the right, that is 7. Okay, remember, if the number is 1, 2, 3, or 4, the underlying numbers stay the same. Okay, but at this time the number is not 1, 2, 3, or 4, it's 7. What happened when the number is 7? Okay, the one that is in the circle. Well, if the one that is in the circle is 5, okay, let's place number 5 here on top. 5, 6, 7. So now this time you see 7, and 7 is in this list of number. 8, or 9. The underlying number go up by 1, or we add 1 to that number. Okay, we add 1 to the underlying number. So if we round 5,457 to the nearest 10, we copy the first digit, 5,400, and 5 is gonna is going up by 1. So we add 1 to 5, which is 5 plus 1, 6. And 7 becomes 0. So if we round 5,457 to the nearest tens, the answer is 5,460. Let's work in this example. In this time we are going to round to the nearest thousand again. Why? Because it's the number that is underlined. We have ones, we have tens, we have hundreds, and 9 is located in the place value for thousands, or the thousands place value. Let's see. Remember the rule. We are going to look the number that is to the right of the underlined number. This time is 6. Okay. And we are going to compare number 6 with 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the number that is in the circle is 1, 2, 3, or 4, the underlying number stays the same. But in this time, number 6 is not in this list. Okay, so number 6 is in the list of numbers that are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, if 6 is in this list, 9 is going to go up one number. So we are going to add one number to 9. So if we round this number 9,691 to the nearest thousand, okay, the answer is 9. The underlying number is 9 plus 1. 9 go up by 1, so that means that the number is 10. And the other three numbers, number 6 becomes 0, number 9 becomes 0, and number 1 becomes 0. So the answer is 10,000. And that's the answer.